Good day, campers. Today I'm going to be replacing the pressure relief valve in my Suburban 12-gallon gas electric water heater. My current one doesn't really have a big problem. It just leaks periodically. I'm tired of it making a mess, so I'm just going to replace it. While I'm replacing it and the water heater's off, I'm going to go ahead and drain it and replace the anode rod. Be sure to check out my video on replacing the anode rod in this same water heater. Quick little note here before we get started. These water heaters come with a plastic clip that holds the door closed. Those things get old and get brittle and break, and these doors fall off while you're traveling down the road. Amazon does sell a replacement that is metal. I've put a link to these clips in the description. I have also put in a link to the pressure relief valve. First step, turn the water heater off, drain the water heater, and then we'll get to work. I have drained the water heater. I have replaced the anode rod. The next step is to remove the pressure relief valve. It's a little difficult to get to. I'm using a large crescent wrench. You have to go in at an angle. Once you start it, you can do most of it by hand. The old one removed. Now we'll install the new one. Make sure you use Teflon tape. Helps the threads seal a little bit better. And of course it's a lubricant to help them go in easier. With a new pressure relief valve installed, anode rod installed, then we'll turn the water back on, fill it up, and check for leaks. We're going to fill the water heater. While you do that, you want to open a hot line inside the RV. Don't open the pressure relief valve because you can get dirt and debris and mineral deposits, and then the valve won't shut correctly, and then you have a leak and you have to replace the valve. A little hint here, while the water heater is filling, if for some reason you cannot get a wrench on this to get it completely tight, 2 Phillips head screws, and you can remove this heat shield. That gives you room to turn the wrench all the way around. Water heater's full. We're under full pressure. I have no leak at the anode rod, no leak at the pressure relief valve. We'll close it up, turn on the water heater, and we should be good to go. It's a fairly simple project. That's all there is to it. As always, thanks for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe.